Your instrument cluster display provides important information about systems and features. It also lets you customize a whole range of preferences. You'll find the controls just below the radio. Push and hold the menu button for more than 1 second to open the main menu. Push and release it to access a screen or to make a selection. Use the arrow buttons to scroll up and down through the menus. You can browse and adjust features like alert volumes, fuel consumption, average speed, and more. Certain preferences and displays can be reset to default. Just push and hold the menu button for 2 seconds. You can use the trip button to display and reset important trip information in the instrument cluster. You'll find it on the end of the right side steering column lever. A short push on the button toggles through distance traveled, average fuel consumption, average speed, time traveled, and more. A long push will reset the feature. Your oil change indicator helps take the guesswork out of oil changes. When it's time to change the oil, you'll hear a chime, and the change engine oil message will appear briefly in the instrument cluster. The system is duty cycle based, so the oil change interval may fluctuate according to your driving style. Keep in mind though, until reset, the oil change message will continue to appear every time you turn on the ignition. To reset the oil change indicator system after performing the scheduled maintenance, put the ignition in the on-run position, but don't start the engine. Now, fully press the accelerator pedal slowly 3 times within 10 seconds and put the ignition back to the off-lock position. If the indicator message illuminates when you start the vehicle, the oil change indicator system did not reset and you will need to repeat the procedure. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.